Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to vegan meal prep. Meal prepping is a fantastic way to streamline your week, ensuring you always have nutritious, plant-based options ready to go. It helps you save precious time, especially on those hectic weekdays, and significantly reduces food waste by allowing you to plan your ingredients precisely. Plus, it empowers you to maintain a balanced vegan diet, giving you full control over your portion sizes and the quality of your ingredients for healthier eating habits. Effective vegan meal prep begins with smart planning. Start by selecting recipes that are ideal for batch cooking and can be easily reheated, like hearty stews or grain bowls. Once your menu is set, create a comprehensive grocery list to ensure you have every ingredient. Focus on stocking up on fresh produce, whole grains, various legumes, and your favorite plant-based proteins. Opting for seasonal ingredients can also enhance flavor and help you save a few dollars. Now, let's get cooking. Dedicate about 2 to 3 hours on one day each week to prepare your meals. Focus on cooking versatile base ingredients such as quinoa, brown rice, roasted sweet potatoes, or a large batch of black beans. Once cooked, allow everything to cool completely before storing. Use high-quality, airtight containers to keep your prepped meals fresh and safe in the refrigerator for up to 4 or 5 days. Remember to label them clearly with the contents and date. Finally, it's time to assemble and enjoy your delicious vegan meals. Throughout the week, simply combine your prepped components in different ways to create varied and exciting dishes. For an extra burst of flavor and texture, add fresh elements like chopped herbs, a squeeze of lemon, or sliced avocado just before serving. If you've made extra, many meals can be frozen for up to 3 months, offering even more convenience. Enjoy your healthy, convenient, and delicious vegan journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.